Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our third chapter of practice book Models. In the previous classes, you have already read about models, but in this particular chapter, we will learn about the difference between must and have to, and should and ought to. So, let us start. First of all, let us start with has to or have to. Has to or have to are used to tell that there is no option but to do something. When there is no option and we have to do the work, then has to or have to is used. For example, the team has to win this qualifying match to be able to play in the World Cup. There is no other option for the team. The team has to win this qualifying match to be able to play in the World Cup. There is no other option. Here the team is singular, so that's why has to is used. With singular we use has. Next is they have to pass the entrance exam for getting admission in the college. In this they is plural, that's why have to is used. So they have to pass the entrance exam for getting admission in the college. It is also a compulsion, there is no other option. Take another example. The candidate has to clear the interview for getting the job. There is no other option. So has to or have to is used when there is no other option left. Next is must. Must and have to, they both are used to express necessity or compulsion. In most of the cases, these two can be used interchangeably. There is a slight difference between must and have to. In must, the authority comes from the speaker. In must, the compulsion is from the speaker's side. Just keep this in your mind. And in have to, the authority comes from the outside the speaker, such as law, rules, etc. So the speaker is not compelling us to do something. The compulsion is from the laws or rules. For example, you must reach the airport at 8 p.m. I insist that. Now this is the compulsion from speaker side that you must reach the airport at 8 p.m. You have to reach the airport 3 hours before your flight time. That is the rule. That is the rule. There is no other option. You have to reach the airport 3 hours before your flight time. Next is should and ought to. Should and ought to are used to ask for, to give suggestions, advice, and to talk about duty or obligation. For example, you should go for a walk daily. This is a suggestion. You ought to be honest while taking an exam. This is moral duty. This is moral duty or obligation. So there is a slight difference between should and ought to. They both are used to give advice, suggestion, to talk about duty or obligation. Whenever there is a sense of moral duty or moral obligation, we use ought to. Whenever there is a sense of moral duty or moral obligation, we always used ought to at the place of should. You should opt for your favorite subjects. It is a simple suggestion. Now let us revise all the rules together. Should. Should is used to talk about, offer, ask for suggestion, duty or obligation. For example, you should apologize to her. It is my suggestion. I think it is right. Next is ought to talk about moral duty or moral obligation. You ought to apologize to her. It is morally correct for you to apologize. Next is must, to express necessity or compulsion from the speaker. You must apologize to her. I insist that you apologize to her. Next is have to express necessity or compulsion from outside the speaker. For example, you have to apologize to her. There is no other option. Now, should not or must not. Should not is used to tell that it is not correct to do something. And must not talks about a compulsion or obligation not to do something. It is simply a prohibition to do something. When we prohibit someone to do something, that then we use must not. For example, you should not tease animals. It is not correct to tease animals. Next is, you must not tease that snake, it is poisonous. I prohibit that. Now there here the compulsion is from speaker's side. So that's why must not is used. You should not drink water from the hand pumps. It is not hygienic. So it is not correct to drink water from the hand pumps. You must not drink this water. It is contaminated. Now this is the compulsion from the speaker's side. So that's why must not is used. That's all about this chapter. Thanks.